In this video, we have to find limit x tends to 0 of sine pi times cos square x over x square. So we know that sine square x plus cos square x is 1. So cos square x, it will be 1 minus sine square x. So it is limit x tends to 0 of sine pi times and cos square x, it is 1 minus sine square x over x square, and it is limit x tends to 0 of sine, and it is pi minus pi times sine square x over x square, and we know that sine pi minus theta, it is sine theta. So it is limit x tends to 0 and sine pi minus pi sine square x, it will be sine pi times sine square x over x square, and it is limit x tends to 0 of sine pi times sine square x over x square, and if we multiply it with pi times sine square x over pi times sine square x, then it is limit x tends to 0 of sine pi times sine square x over pi times sine square x times pi times sine square x over x square, and pi is constant, so we can take pi out of the limit, and it is limit x tends to 0 of sine pi times sine square x over pi times sine square x times sine square x over x square, and it is pi times limit x tends to 0 of sine pi times sine square x over pi times sine square x times limit x tends to 0 of sine square x over x square, and it is pi times limit x tends to 0 of sine pi times sine square x over pi times sine square x times limit x tends to 0 and sine square x over x square, it is sine x over x square, and we know that limit x tends to 0 of sin x over x is 1, and if x tends to 0 then pi times sin square x it will also tend to 0 because sin 0 is 0. So it is pi times, and limit x tends to 0 of sin pi times sin square x over pi times sin square x it will be 1, and limit x tends to 0 of sin x over x square it will be 1 square, and it is pi times 1 that will be pi. So it is pi